Hey there, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install AdGaurd. Uh, First thing you want to do is log into your TrueNAS system. Be on your dashboard here. You want to go down to Apps, and at the top right it's going to be Discover Apps. Shouldn't have to scroll too far down here. And then we find AdGaurd Home. You can also search it if you prefer. And click on Install. We do not need the HTTPS probe. Leave that blank. Web UI, we're just going to leave that as is. Host IP, more than sure we don't need that set. Host network we do want. DHCP enabled. If you plan on using this as a DHCP server, I'd highly recommend using it as a DHCP server if possible. It requires a little bit more setup, but it's better than changing all of your devices over to use this as their DNS server. But before clicking this, you're going to want to click this. In the past, I've found errors where if you skip clicking that and do this, this isn't checked, but you still need it. And that's pretty much it. So real quick, something I forgot to show in the video. You're also going to want to set your host IP to the IP address of your server. That's pretty much it. Alrighty, now we just need to go to the web UI. For you, it's just going to be whatever your server's local IP address is, and then the port that we left it on. I believe it was 32400. Use your adapter, the one with the IP address, and you're going to want to change this to 3004 because that's what we used up here. DNS server, you're going to want to put that also on, or whatever your adapter is. Next, make your account. Oh my. Looks like temporarily we're just going to have to put that at 3003 just to get past this crap. And then redo this. Whoops, butchered that. And ta-da, here we go. Next, we're going to open dashboard. It moved over to 3003. And that's pretty much it. So now for DHCP server, this is kind of the fun one. Through TrueNAS, it's very, very, very buggy. So we're going to want to select your adapter, and this is the fun part. You're going to check for DHCP server and spam enable. Like literally just click the crap out of it and keep doing it because it's, oh well, let me set this stuff up first. Rushing myself. So gateway IP is going to be the IP of your router itself. Range of IP addresses is what you're going to want for designating your IP address range. It's like, say I put it at 10 here, and then on this last number I do 255. That gives me 245 addresses that I can have automatically assigned by the DHCP server. That's basically what that is. Subnet mask is 255.255.255.0, and then I would recommend leaving at 86,400. Oh, don't set this higher than your router. My bad. Yeah, I don't script these videos. I just wing it and see how it goes. There we go. Now once again, check for DHCP server and enable. There we go. Ah, dang it. Spammed it too much. Got this. Oh, come on, I did it again. See, this is why it's fun to do it on TrueNAS. And very annoying. Yeah, there we go. So now we got a DHCP server enabled. That's pretty much all you have to do in here. Next thing you're going to want to do is log into your router. My router is at 254. Yours is probably at .1. Reason you're going to want to log into your router is you're going to want to turn off your DHCP server. You don't want to have two on there, because then your devices are going to be confused on which one to connect to and which one actually has the right info on it. So for me, it's under Home Network. And subnets and DHCP. It's pretty simple if you have an AT&T router, I guess, but I guarantee 90% of you don't. You probably have something like Xfinity, which would be at 10.0.0.1, or pretty much anything else, which would be 192.168.1.1. It shouldn't be too hard to find DHCP server settings. Usually it's under a network tab or advanced networking tab, but either way, when you find the option, you just want to go ahead and click it off and save that. Now at this point, once you've turned off your DHCP server, you're going to want to go ahead and reboot your router and reboot any switches connected with Ethernet in your router. Just basically any device that's connected to the internet needs to be reconnected to the internet. When it reconnects, it's going to find your DHCP server under AdGaurd, automatically connect to it, and you'll automatically have your queries be running through all the ad blocking, and that's pretty much it. Throw on dark mode real quick, but that's pretty much all there is to it for this video. I think I'm gonna make a pie hole video, just a quick skit to show you how to do that one too. I know people usually prefer that one, but for now, that's pretty much it. Have a great one, guys. So real quick, something I want to show you. If you go back to AdGaurd, after you've set up AdGaurd to the UI, you're going to want to go back and change that port number to match what you set it to in the UI. In my case, it's 3003 or 30,003, whatever, and that matches AdGaurd, and that's it.